Hi, can I come in?
Sure.
Thanks.
So, what brings you here? Again, might I ask? Well, I was just passing, so we thought we'd pop in. Got some friends with me. Do you want me? Do you want them in? I'll sit down, shall I? Leave you to it. Oh, hi guys, come on in. It's been so long. I don't even know where to start. Like I've said before, life, work, partnerships, girlfriends, commissions, Christmas, having a full-time job myself. I mean, I don't get a lot of spare time to do this like I'd like to, but you are amazing, hanging around. I appreciate that so much. I always say this, don't I? But it's true. You guys are so patient waiting for these videos. So I hope what I'm doing, you like. If not, leave in the comments, let me know. If you do, leave in the comments, let me know. I've got a few bits I've kind of halfway through and I'm trying to complete. So for the new year, I want to catch up on all the stuff that's kind of half done, like the oh blimey, there's a couple of, I haven't told you about yet. Anyway, there's 2 or 3 I want to finish off before I'm going to say the end of January, we start a new year afresh. So enjoy what you see. I hope a bit of a concept joining together thing that I thought you might like. See you later.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
There you have it. She's all together. Painting's done. Base is finished. And there she is in all her glory. Hair is now done. So, I hope you liked what you saw. I thought, as I said, I'd do it from start to finish. There are a couple of other lamp bases here. They, as you can see, they will be for forthcoming videos. So there you go. That's that one. I thought, rather than half a do, I'll finish it. Then you've got a full thing, and you're not waiting for another half project to finish. So that's that. He's still sitting there, being quiet. Makes a change. Till then, till next time, take care.